big as I am, I shouldn't be taken down by one guy. As hard as we work at practice and the work that we put in, there's no way that one guy should bring me down at any time. I pride myself in yards after contact. To basically one thing I like to do. I like running over people.
He's extremely hard to bring down. I think that's his kind of his MO. It takes a couple people to bring him down. He's just legitimately, 210 pounds, and he's extremely strong and physical. And once he makes a couple guys miss, he does have that speed to be able to break the long ones. We used to have a bowling alley, but we don't have that anymore. But really, we got missiles going off, a movie theater, and Lompoc football. I mean, if you're caught at the movie theater on a Friday night and we got a home game, somebody's gonna be calling you out. Napoleon was a special back. I mean, he was probably the Reggie Bush of the '90s. He was unbelievable. Levon's trying to, not just make a name for himself now, but also for his teammates.
I got many names: Juggernaut, Squirrel, Beast.
What do you want people to remember you by?
Man, that boy could play. That's all I want them to say when I leave.